Welcome to Forking with Spoons. I have a special guest, Shelby. We're gonna be recreating a meal that we made 8 years ago. It's gonna be so much better than 8 years ago. We're gonna make fried rice and sushi, and we're gonna put our fried rice in a pineapple that Shelby is going to cut. I'll zoom in on that so you can all learn how to cut this pineapple the appropriate way. Let's talk ingredients for the rice. I just have some jasmine rice. I'm gonna cut up some onion, garlic, and bell pepper for the veggies. And then for the sauce, I'm not gonna do a soy sauce. I'm gonna do a mix of red hot sweet chili and sriracha. Be a sweet and spicy sauce. Protein. This is Tyson's frozen chicken with teriyaki sauce. And then we're gonna add some eggs.
And for our sushi, we are doing boom boom shrimp, cream cheese, avocado, and our English cucumber. Of course, our sticky rice topped with some crab.
Also, I would just like to touch base on this avocado. It's huge. Anyways, we're gonna get going. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to cook the rice. So I do 1 cup of rice, 1.5 cups of water, and then I bring it to a boil. I'm gonna cover it, and then you just let it simmer for 15 minutes. You get the perfect fluffy rice. And then I'm gonna cut up the onion and bell pepper, saute that, and from there, rice goes in with the vegetables, eggs, chicken, sauce, mix it around until you have that yummy rice. We're gonna cut that pineapple, put the rice in there, and then sushi. You'll see how we do it. Here we go. So the rice is prepped and ready to go. All the sushi stuff is prepped and ready to go. So we are gonna start rolling our sushi, but we just had a discussion. It has been a while since we've rolled sushi, so this might be a complete disaster. We're about to find out.
My judgment.
So we're about to find out if we can still roll sushi. Side note too, we are drinking Moscow mules. We felt like Moscow mules would go appropriately with this cuisine. All right, here we go. Wish us luck. Okay, we are done. So you can see the rice and the sushi. So I feel like this turned out pretty good. Hopefully it tastes good. So we are gonna go eat this, and thanks for watching.